Have you ever wondered why slutty brownies are layered with cookies? Today we're diving into the delicious layers that make this dessert so irresistible. The name Slutty Brownies went viral due to its playful and naughty connotations. This dessert combines layers of indulgence for a rich, decadent treat. First comes the chocolate chip cookie dough base, providing a soft and chewy layer. This is followed by Oreo cookies for a crisp and sweet middle section. The third layer consists of thick, fudgy brownie batter that covers the Oreos. This combination creates a visual watercolor effect when sliced and is Instagram worthy. The key reasons this dessert works so well include textural contrast, balanced sweetness with the Oreos cutting through the Oreos, cutting through the Oreos, cutting through the Oreos, cutting through, brownie richness, and visual appeal from clean layers. These layers not only make a visually appealing dessert, but also provide a unique balance of textures. This combination makes each bite indulgently delicious and unforgettable. In summary, the layers in Slutty Brownies are carefully designed to create a harmonious balance of flavors and textures, resulting in a dessert that is both visually stunning and incredibly satisfying. So there you have it, the secret behind Slutty Brownies. Have you tried making them? What's your favorite part of this dessert?